Hello, my name is Eyasu Ginbeto, a passionate and experienced tutorial with a master's degree and over 10 years of teaching experience. I specialize in mathematics, ICT, web design and development, helping students understand concepts in simple, practical, and engaging way. For more than 8 years, I have also provided personalized tutorials to students of different ages and academic levels, especially young learners. I focus on building foundations, improving confidence, and helping students to achieve their academic goal. My teaching approach is student-centered, interactive, and adapted to each learner's needs. Whether you need help with school subjects, exam preparation, or developing technical skills, I am here to guide you step by step. Book 20 minutes free trial lessons to experience my teaching styles and discuss your learning goals. Until then, have a nice time. Bye bye.